Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. We have a lot of information to go through this evening. So let's get started, okay? Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome. Hope you're ready for a good week this week, okay? Let's get right into it. Right into it. All right. So, guys, we did have, you guys know we do have sales signals on the equity markets, all right? So, stocks. All right, our stock boss traders, our bullmaster traders, bullmaster pro traders, just remember we do have a sell signal in equities. However, the Dow was up. All right, so the Dow was up, guys, 339 points on Friday. So good day in equities on Friday. NASDAQ was up. S&P was up. Even the Russell, look here, Russell was up. And the VIX came down a bit. All right, so a little lower volatility, but not a major push higher yet. So VIX is at 1613. But just remember, guys, we do have sell signals. Okay, so on the S&P, guys, we have a sell signal right here. You guys can see that there on the S&P. Okay, we have to treat these sell signals with caution. All right, so here on the S&P, again, this is on the daily time frame. All right, so these are important sell signals. Okay, on the daily time frame, S&P has a sell signal. Right, the NASDAQ also gave a sell signal. I believe that came in on Thursday. All right, here on the NASDAQ. The Dow has a sell signal. That sell signal has been in for about a week and a half on the Dow. Same with the IWM. So small caps, IWM. Remember, NASDAQ and the S&P, that's for large caps, okay? So your Max 7s, those types of stocks there, all right? So we do have sell signals, all right, on these indexes. So we will not send out any alerts right now, all right, to our stock boss traders, bullmaster traders, and bullmaster pro traders. Okay, all these sectors are down. Okay, so all the sectors are down, guys. So biotech, basic materials, energy, right, financials, technology, consumer staples, utilities, healthcare, they're all down. All right, they're all red, they're all down. All right, so just be aware of that. NASDAQ is struggling, all right, but that's down. Okay, so just be aware of the environment currently in equities. Let's take a quick look at the charts for the sectors. Gold, we're tracking the GLD right here. So sell signal on gold. Silver, sell signal. All right. Biotech, sell signal. Sellers are coming in. Markdown phase there. Home builders, same thing here, guys. So notice here, all down. All right. Basic materials, look what they're doing. They're really selling off basic materials, okay? Communication services, sell signal here. Energy, all right? Sellers are coming in heavy here. Energy, financials, all right? Sell signal here, red candles. Industrials, look here, industrials, red candles. Sellers are coming in, markdown phase, okay? So, right, don't take my word for it. Follow the price action there, all right? Tech, same thing here. Consumer staples, look here, sell signal, okay? Again, daily time frame. Real estate, look here, sell signal, broke support, markdown phase there, all right? Utilities, same thing. So not a single so far, guys, not a single sector, all right, is holding a buy signal. Okay, which one is this? Healthcare, same thing. Sell signal here. Look at that, all the way down in the markdown phase. Consumer discretionary, sell signal. And the last one, telecom, sell signal. Okay, guys, so we should be out. All right, we should be out of stocks. If you're still holding based on how we trade, based on using our systems, okay? If you're trading on the daily time frame, that's what we want to follow, okay? Hey, Michael, welcome, Michael, welcome. All right, As far as the dollar, guys, in the futures market, the dollar did break a big resistance level right here. Now, I know our Forex traders, monster scalper traders, things have been choppy a bit, okay? With the dollar pairs in particular, we'll take a look, see what's going on this evening, okay? We are breaking a big resistance level here on the dollar index. Let's say the high back in back was last year. Was that 2022? Right here, the dollar made the last time it made a major high was $110. All right, currently trading at 108. 108. Remember, our buy signal came in here on the dollar, guys, right at 102. Okay, so it is breaking out, keeps moving higher. Currently, it's down in the futures market. Okay, the only bad thing, well, let's say this, negative, is that the 60-minute in particular isn't trading well with the dollar, a bit choppy here. Okay, our Forex traders, Monster Forex Tracker, we do have good volatility on the daily time frame, decent volatility on the 240. All right, we've got about 50-50, so we're starting to see some consolidation here. Further choppiness on the 60-minute time frame. Hopefully, things will change. We do have data coming out. All right, so we do have data coming out, big data, non-farm payrolls coming out on Friday. So that should hopefully give us some direction going into next week. All right, non-farm payrolls, big job numbers should come out on Friday. Thursday, we do have unemployment claims, okay? And then on Tuesday, we've got, what's that? PMI, all right? So basically starting on Tuesday, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, big data for the U.S. Not much data in Forex. In the London session, I think we've got on Monday, tomorrow, early morning, Euro has some data, but that's about it for Forex. Otherwise, it's the US, right? So just be aware of that, but big number, big data coming out on Friday with non-farm payrolls. And then usually that will set the direction for the month, okay? All right, still choppiness here in the Aussie. We did set up some alerts on those. We'll take a look at those. Aussie Kiwi pairs, a bit mixed in here. All right, so just realize that, be aware of that. On the yen pairs, we've got solid direction on the daily time frame in the yen and the dollar pairs. Dollar pairs are shaping up nicely on the 240. We just need more buyers to come in here on the 60. And right here also on the yen pairs, we need buyers to come in here on the 240 and then the 60-minute to shape up. Okay, the euro pairs and pound pairs down here still mixed. Okay, you might find some opportunities, but just trade with caution. The entire market, guys, right now. All right, as far as Forex, but there are opportunities. Okay, especially on the 240. All right, let's go through big picture. All right, so big picture on the Dow weekly time frame. Buy signal here on the weekly time frame, guys, on the Dow, right? The Dow came down. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, guys. 5 weeks came all the way down, settled, found support right here, found the moving average, found the trend line. We're looking for a bounce, okay? But just remember, we are out of the buying season, so anything can happen, right? Sellers could come in heavy. If we break through that trend line right here, break that moving average, break through that support line right here, all right? That support line is right here. So this area here is critical. If we break through here, okay, we could get a sell signal, kind of like here, and then sellers could come in there on the Dow on the weekly time frame. Okay, let's go through this quickly. The Dow on the monthly time frame, buy signal here, holding for now. All right, this is a big picture, so big macro. We always want to pay attention to what's happening, guys, on the big macro, right? Big macro. Be aware of that. Okay, weekly time frame, S&P, buy signal here, same thing here. right? Retrace down to the trend line here, holding. All green candles, right? Big picture, holding. So we know big long term, we still, buyers are still in control. S&P monthly buy signal here. Good job holding the trend line here. Great price action. Higher highs, higher lows there. On the NASDAQ, all right, weekly time frame buy signal here, holding firm. Okay, you can move this up a bit, right, like this. Okay. On the monthly, on the NASDAQ, look at the NASDAQ on the monthly. All right. Sometimes, guys, when we see that selling coming in on the smaller time frames, we panic. All right. But look what it's doing on the monthly time frame, holding firm right here. On the Russell, right, the IWM, right, we got some buying came in last week. All right. So buy signal here. You know, IWM small caps have been struggling to get past a big resistance here. Good news on the Russell is that after your white candles here, right, your pullback, your neutral here, kind of like here, we got a green candle, big green candle last week. All right. Out of that buying that came in last week. So we got a green candle here. Hopefully we'll get some follow through and finally break through this resistance. Okay. Anything can happen with these markets, guys. We know, we're out of the buying season with equities, but anything can happen, guys. Okay. All right. We don't control the market, just follow the price. On the Russell monthly time frame, guys, buy signal was here. Remember, it retraced, right? Buyers came in. And we're still holding here. Hopefully, we're going to break through there. The VIX came down a bit. All right. I think let's see here. Last month made a high at 19. What's that? Last month, 27, 28. Current month, so this month it already made a move up to 19 and change, trading at 16. So that's the only encouraging thing for equities, right? The VIX is moving lower, a bit so low volatility. Okay, all right. Let's take a look at the Mag 7s. Okay, Magnificent 7s. Tesla made a nice move higher. We've done tons of videos on Tesla. You guys have done really well trading Tesla. We did get a nice bounce, all right, on Friday on Tesla right here, green candle here. So Tesla is holding firm. Let's adjust this trend line here. So we were concerned with Tesla that it was breaking that trend line. So trend line is right here. Right, it had broke that trend line, trying to recover now. All right, which is good. Good for Tesla. All right, we'll see how it goes. NVIDIA trying to also make a move. Okay, so we got our last buy signal was here, sell signal was here. Here is Tesla, guys, testing that resistance here. Okay, at 144. If we break through that resistance, we'll get another buy signal on NVIDIA. Now, Tesla's buy signal was right here, right at 264. Buy signal on the daily, trading at 410. Again, NVIDIA buy signal was here at 132 or so. Closed at 130, 131 and change right here. Again, looking to break the resistance. If we break through, we could get another buy signal. Amazon, guys, trading nicely here. Buy signal here. Right at 190, trading at 224. Microsoft, okay, Microsoft gave a sell signal. So buy signal was here, right on a break of resistance, right here. And now it's back within support and resistance. Sell signal, white arrow, red candles. So we should be out, okay, on the daily time frame. Google, let's take a look here. Buy signal was here, red candles, got back in. Holding firm right here on Google. Meta, Facebook right here. Buy signal here, red candles, guys. Let's wait to see what develops here. Still struggling right at resistance. Here. Here is the price action. Here, let's see what happens before we call another buy signal there on Meta, Facebook. Apple, guys, buy signal here. Apple is struggling a bit. All right, white candles are coming in here, right? Should have gotten some buyers on Friday with the market being up. All right, it held. All right, but it did break through that trend line. This is not a big deal. All right, the concern though is holding support right here. All right, so this is the big area of support. You guys can see that here. Previous resistance here, 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 and now here becomes support. Okay, so just be aware of that. Overall though, surprisingly, the Max 7 have been doing well. Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Remember, we got a sell signal on Bitcoin, guys, on the daily time frame. Buy signal was here around 65. I think I got a red candle, and we called it right about in here, right at 70,000. Made its way all the way, all right, all the way up to 106, and we finally got a sell signal here. On the daily time frame, here is where we track it mainly for signals. Sell signal came in right at 91 and change 92. Okay, now it's at 98, so we're out of Bitcoin. And just remember, we use Bitcoin also as a barometer for the entire crypto market. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, it's coming down a bit. Sold, sell signal. Don't be fooled by these buyers coming in here. Okay, we could see sellers come back in. I'm not saying that that will happen, right? We'll see the price action, but it could come on back down, break through that support. In order to get a new buy signal, guys, we got to get all the way up here. All right, for our system to give us another buy signal. So around 105 or so. All right, if it keeps moving higher, we could get another buy signal. Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, all right, looks good here on the weekly. All right, the dollar index, like I said, it's breaking out. Keep an eye on 112. I think I said 110. Higher resistance levels there. Let's take a look here. This is on the weekly time frame. So 110 would be, yes. So right here. Right about here is 110, 110 resistance here, but we're getting past that. 112, 113. So 113 is right about there. All right, buy signal here. Let's see if it can move higher there. Okay, but again, it's been trading choppy on the smaller time frame with the dollar pairs. Pound yen weekly time frame, we do have a sell signal. Okay, for the yen pairs, if we can break through that resistance, we could see things moving again. We might see light volume, guys, because it's non-farm payroll, okay, this week. So just anticipate some light volume in Forex, especially towards the end of the week. Okay, so you might have some good traction. All right. First half of the week, but definitely Thursday, right? Probably even Wednesday, you could see light volume prior to non-farm payroll numbers on data on Friday. Okay, so pound yen, nothing here. Okay, on the weekly, on the monthly, we're still looking to break out. Okay, now remember, right? Pound yen in particular, the yen pairs, but pound yen in particular. Will follow the equity market. So if the equity markets break down, we see sellers come in, more selling come in, that will change the direction of pound yen and could move lower. Just remember, this is a big area here, all right? Big area here of resistance. So sellers are sitting here. Here's where they came in heavy before on the monthly time frame, guys, and we're just holding here, all right? When you ever see that price holding like this, right? Traders are waiting for some catalyst, okay, to move the price up or move it lower, okay? So just be aware of that, okay? Yen, the yen itself, same thing here, holding a big support here, all right? Holding a big support. We can either break through support, make another leg down, or buyers could come in and break out. If we break out on the yen, the Japanese yen in the futures market, right? We break through the upside, kind of like we did there. We'll see the yen move lower. Okay, if we move lower here, get another leg down, break through that support, redistribution, we could see pound yen and the yen pairs move higher. Okay, bonds broke a big support here. So interest rates keep moving higher. All right, so the LTL, I think 30-year right now is at 7.11%, which is high. All right, so it's broken through that support. We have further support, new support levels right about here. All right, that's not looking good for bonds, the LTL, which is what we track. Okay, gold, all right, just holding on the weekly time frame here in the futures market. Silver at a big resistance level right here. This is where sellers came in before. Here, and here, just holding white candles. So nothing currently with silver. Crude oil, still in a big consolidation. All right, so going back all the way, you guys know this, we've been tracking this to middle of about 2022, nothing. I feel sorry for crude oil traders because absolutely, if that's all you trade, nothing here in the last 2 years there, 3 years. Okay, all right, let's go through current positions now. Current positions in Monster Scalper, and we're running right on time. All right, so we're on track. All right, so we have some Aussie pairs. I mentioned that earlier on the 60-minute time frame. Not a lot of action on the 60-minute time frame, guys. Hopefully, we'll find some opportunities this evening. Okay, so Aussie, Swiss, that buy signal sold on the 60-minute time frame. So buy signal here. All right, so on a break of this resistance, bought here, white arrow, right here, sell signal. Aussie Swiss closed that trade, small amount of pips there. Aussie New Zealand, buy signal here on a break of this resistance here, right? Broke support, white arrow, sell signal, close the trade, please. All right, so we have, you imagine this, we don't have any positions now on the 60-minute time frame. Amazing. But we'll see. We'll see what we can find this evening, okay? That doesn't mean things can't change. No shorts. We do not have any shorts on any of the systems, on any of the time frames. So we don't have any shorts. Hold on. Did I move? Hold on. Yeah, you guys can see it here. Okay, so we don't have any shorts. I know my face is hiding it here, but no shorts on the 60-minute. Just take my word for it. On the 240, we don't have any shorts. On Forex Dominator, we don't have any shorts currently. Okay, we do have some longs on the 240-minute time frame, and we have the dollar pairs. So let's see how they're doing, how they're holding up. So long positions on the 240-minute time frame, and mainly the dollar pairs. So dollar Swiss, let's adjust this. All right, guys. Okay, so markdown phase. All right, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, holding here, good price action to break through that resistance right here and move higher. So dollar Swiss, good trade going here. USD CZK, buy signal here on a break of this resistance here. All right, lots of consolidation on that pair. Let's draw it out. And 2 trades. All right. All right. Bought here, sold here, buy signal here. All right. A big pullback, but holding green candles here, looking to move higher. USD CZK. USD PLN. That's your Polish pair. All right. Same thing here, guys. Buy signal was here. Big sellers came in. Got back in right here. Called it. All right. On this break here. And just holding. We need to get past new resistance levels. Let's call it right here. Okay, so here, here, that's a concern. We need buyers to come on back, which they are, and break through. USD PLN. USD DKK. All right, buy signal here, sell signal, almost identical. Holding firm there, USD DKK. USD SGD, same thing. All right, you guys, I don't think you got, if you remember, big sellers came in. Was that last week? I think early last week, but buyers are coming back in. So we've called those back, okay? USD SEK, guys, we should be out, okay? USD SEK, very choppy. Look at that. Very, very choppy. A lot of indecision here. This trade right here did really well, but look at this. All right, let's get it cleared, to clear this area, and then we might look at it again. So USD SEK on the 240. All right, we're out. All right, dollar HUF, that's your Hungarian. All right. All right, so good buy signal here. And we have a bit of a cup and handle going there. All right, buy signal here and moving up nicely there. USD HUF. USD MXN. All right, buy signal here, and we are breaking out of a range here. Okay, it's a wide range, but we are looking to break out here. And guys, these are the best trades. All right. Okay. Again, after non-farm payrolls, hopefully we'll get better direction. Okay. All right. Support is down here. Resistance. This is where sellers came in before. Here. Always be aware of that. Here. And here we are. Buy signal. And looking to, again, hopefully test resistance again. USD MXN on the 240s. Okay. Currently, our dollar pairs are up. And we do have dollar pairs in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. So the dollar pairs, guys, they're not perfect, but that's about the only trade right now. All right, so dollar pairs in Forex Dominator daily time frame. So a big trend following system there. Let's take a look. And we'll go through equities also this evening. USD Swiss, okay? Monster scalper, guys. Best trading system right now, right? Amazing. Went from nothing, right, to all of a sudden, right? That's where the trades are right now, all right? That and the 240 with the dollar pairs, but boy, big macro trades. So those of you who took advantage, I know most of you don't trade on this time frame, but big macro trades going on. Okay, so USD CHF on the daily time frame. Okay, good markdown phase, buy signal here on the break of this resistance. Look at that, good price action, getting ready to break through that resistance there. Buy signal came in at 86 and change, trading at 91. That's about 500 pips, guys. Looking to break through, right? We have a lot of sellers sitting here, and here. Here we are right now. If it breaks through, guys, we could see a big pop all the way up to this resistance, and that would give us a lot of pips. That would add about another 300 pips. Okay, so USD CHF looks good. USD DKK. All right, buy signal here. Look at this trade, guys. USD DKK, buy signal here, right here, all green candles, broke resistance here, got past sellers, broke resistance here, and look at that, purple support and resistance, and it is still going. Good trade going here for tons of pips, okay? USD DKK, buy signal here, we can remove, well, we'll leave it for now. Next one, USD SEK, buy signal here, we have to close it. All that consolidation there on the 240, but on the daily, it's holding. All right, got through resellers here, resistance here, buy signal here. Look, sitting right here, looking to get past sellers here, past resistance here, and it's holding good price action, higher highs, higher lows. Look at that candle there. USD SEK. All right, so Forex Dominator, best trading system right now. All right, USD SGD, perfect markdown phase, all purpose support and resistance. Red candles, what a beautiful markdown phase. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance, all green candles, got past resistance here, getting past sellers here, all green candles moving higher. We do have further resistance right here. It looks like it wants to get past right here. All right, so I know on the 60-minute time frame, right, the dollar pairs haven't done well, right? We know the dollar index right here has been moving fine. Look at that, right? Good representation for this price action here, both on the daily here, but on the 60-minute, right? Lots of consolidation. But USD SGD buy signal here, breaking out. Looks good. Good trade here. Tons of pips. This is for about 600 pips, guys. So that's 131 right here now, 137, 600 pips about. Okay, good trade going here. USD SGD. Okay, USD CNH, another great trade. Good markdown phase, buy signal here and a break of this resistance, breaking out. All right, gotten past resistance, sellers here, breaking out, good price action. All right, good trade going here. USD CNH. USD HUF, another beautiful trade. Did I call this one? They keep bouncing around. USD HUF, buy signal here, guys, all the way down here. All right, this one, what's that? Boy, tons of pips here. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Keep an eye on purpose support and resistance, but we are getting past it here. Okay, so that's good. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD, another beautiful trade here. All right, got past resistance here. Always follow your support and resistance, guys. Okay, all right, so just be aware of that. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. All right, this is where it failed before. This one worked out. All right, so buy signal here, all green candles, yellow support and resistance, perfect. Okay, so if you're able to get in, lucky enough to get on this trade, these areas here where you could basically scale up, add to your position. USD DKK. All right, and I think that's it for Forex Dominator. Good job with Forex Dominator. Okay, let's take a look at equity positions. Now, the Dow was up on Friday. We just remember we have sell signals. We've been trimming alerts in our systems. Okay, just remember we're coming out of the busy season. So we're going to go through these. We're doing good on time. So stock bars, guys, we only have, what's that, 5 stocks. This is what we need, though. Right now, need to be light equities. Okay, so stock bars, guys, SUPV. Buy signal was here at, what's that, right at 869, trading at 1708. Good trade there going in stock bars. All right, we'll let it run. VUZI, buy signal came in right here at 148, trading at 439. Good trade. No change there. MVST, all right, these are the only ones that's left. Buy signal came in right at about 48 cents. All right, trading at 239, holding firm. No red candles, no sales signals, no white candles there. Next one. PRCH, buy signal came in at 180, guys, trading at 532. All green candles, nothing to trade, nothing to change here. And perhaps the best one in stock boss, RGTI, buy signal came in at 126, trading at 1902, guys. All right, so what's 1900%, 100% profit. Great trade here. That's the best trade there. Nothing to change though, guys, on these. Remember, we had a lot more stocks alerts. We've trimmed those out. All right, so stock boss, small caps. If the Russell improve, these stocks will improve. Our stock boss system right here, I want to run it quickly here. I know we had some came in. Hold on. Right here. I think we had about 60. I'm sure we had some more came in on Friday, but still hold off. We're going to hold off on alerts. 73. So there is definitely something going on with small caps, but we'll wait and see. Okay, let's see what happens after non-farm payroll. Let's see if we can get some green candles green candles on here. All right, so we can get some green, at least some green candles on the Dow and the Russell and the S&P. We have a green candle that came in on Friday on the NASDAQ, but we get some green candles on the S&P, right? Even without a buy signal, we might look for opportunities in stock boss, small caps, because it looks like small caps, they want to make a move there. Okay. All right. Bull master. So large cap stocks, guys, over $10. Let's take a look here. All right. So BYRN buy signal was here. All right. At $19. Buy signal trading at $30. Good trade going here. All green candles, nothing to do. DECK buy signal came in at $169, trading at $209. Good trade, nothing to do there. RH buy signal at $367, closed on Friday $405, nothing to do there. That's RH. All right, UNFI buy signal came in at 16 and change, 1623 to be exact, right about there. Trading at $28 and change, nothing to do there. Next one, CRK buy signal here, holding. YPF buy signal here. All right, 24 holding, 44. All right, GGAL buy signal here holding. All green candles, perfect markup phase. Look at that, guys. All right, yellow support and resistance, all green candles, good trade going there. SLM buy signal here, looking to break through resistance. So they're holding firm. EAT buy signal came in all the way down here at 71, guys, trading at 141. Look at that, 100%, right? Green candles moving up higher there. GameStop got a nice bounce. Okay, so buy signal here, holding. So most of these are holding, guys. TDS buy signal here. Just remember, these were the best ones that kept holding firm. CLS buy signal all the way down here at 57 base on a break of resistance here. Nice gap up here, trading at 96. KD buy signal here. All right, buy signal here at 25. Good gap up, broke resistance 37. Good trade here. Marvel buy signal here. Red candle got back in on a break of support, a break of resistance right here around 80, trading at 118. Good price action. No sellers in sight. Look at this trend line. Beautiful trend line going here. Don't be lazy like me, guys. Go ahead and bring in your lines, okay? Especially our new traders. Bring in your markdown, your markup, okay? Don't be lazy like me. All right, good trade going here. All right. RBRK buy signal here. Again, same thing. Bring in your trend line. We do have purple support and resistance. So we know that is a bit overbought. All right, no reason to close the trade. Just continue to stay with it. All right, good trend line here. All right, holding support here. We need that price to keep moving higher there. Support there. All right, but keep an eye on it. Purple support and resistance there. All right, that's the last one for Bull Master. Not bad, right? Not bad for Bull Master, guys. They're holding. All right, Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. We only have two SLM buy signal here holding, and Amazon still holding firm there. Let's take a quick look at, let's run Heat Seeker for Bullmaster just to see. I think last week we had about 30, which is very, very low for Bullmaster, which is large caps, okay? All right, 44, that's still very low for large cap. So we might, guys, all right, don't take my word for it yet. Let's see what happens end of the week here after non-farm payrolls, but we might see a rotation into small caps, okay? So we might, large cap has been leading, that Mag 7, all those large cap stocks, mega cap stocks. So we might see a move, all right? We might see a move into small caps. That's what's we're noticing in our stock balls, okay? But too early to tell. All right, too early to tell there. Our US 30 traders, I know it's been difficult. All right, our monster US 30 traders. I know it's been choppy. I know it's been difficult. It is what it is. All right, just be careful. Monster US 30, I think, was it this buy signal we called here? I think it was this one or this one. Can't even remember. We just haven't had a lot of good trades, okay? With the US 30, we have a lot of consolidation in here. All right, it hasn't gone anywhere. So if you bring in this on the daily time frame, guys, if you bring in support here, bring in resistance here on the daily time frame, we haven't gone anywhere. All right, that's it right here. So be aware of that. Monster US 30, that's why we haven't sent out a lot of alerts, okay? Same thing with the NAS. Look at that, a lot of consolidation here on the daily. Very, very choppy. Okay, the daily will show us what's going on. All right, on the NAS 100 and the US, the SP, same thing here. Look at that, nothing here, guys. Nothing here. I know a lot of our US 30 traders, NAS and S&P, trade on the 5-minute time frame. Even on the 5-minute time frame, we've got to be careful. Okay, so these swings here. Look at that. See these swings here on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so we don't have a nice trend. Okay, let me see if I can find a trend, either long or short. Okay, like here, see that's fairly decent price action here. All right, we don't have that. This is what we have right now. So just be careful. All right, this is why we trade multiple markets, multiple systems. Okay, let's go to Monster Scalper. Let's look for some opportunities, and then we'll be done. We're right on time. Okay, so let's start with the 60-minute time frame. And 60-minute time frame, long. Okay, in Monster Scalper. All right, long 60-minute. Let's go through these. All right, buy signal Aussie dollar. We'll wait on that. Lots of consolidation in there. Okay. Nothing here. Aussie CAD, that is breaking out. Hold on here. On the 60-minute time frame, very choppy. So support is here. We are breaking resistance. All right, we're breaking resistance here. See here? But this is where buyers failed before. Failed here, 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 and here. All right, buy signal here. We are breaking out. All right, but let's hold off. Let's see if we can find better trades. Okay, nothing here. New Zealand Swiss. That's a fairly decent breakout. Oh, come on. We might run a little longer, guys. Okay, buyers failed here and here. Here we are. Here is your markup. Very choppy, though. Okay. Markdown. It's got a decent markdown phase there. All right, so NZD, Swiss, I do like the breakout. See, buyers are coming in here, breaking resistance here. Okay, just very choppy. This isn't too bad over here. We'll call this. So NZD, CHF, long on the 60. And we need to find some opportunities on the 60-minute too. Okay, so NZD, Swiss, New Zealand, Swiss. New Zealand CAD, let's see here. All right, we'll call this one too. We have a big resistance here on the 60, guys. See here, 60 here. All right, your pullback is here. Let's bring in some support. Not quite a markdown phase. All right, buy signal here. All right, good candles forming here. Let's see if we can break through that resistance and then move higher. Next resistance would be over here. All right, just trying to get you guys some opportunities here with these alerts. If you trade these, just trade lightly, please, guys. Okay. So NZD CAD, dollar CAD. All right, buy signal here, moving up. Okay. All right. Yen pairs. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Keep an eye on the yen pairs. There might be something going on with the Kiwi. So the New Zealand, all right? So we are in a range. Choppiness, guys. Very choppy. Look at that. Difficult trading here, guys. Okay? But we have the New Zealand Swiss, New Zealand CAD is moving higher. We have the New Zealand yen. So something might be going on, okay, with the New Zealand Kiwi pairs. Okay, so good support down here. All right, it's a range trade, but we'll hopefully look for it to break out past resistance here. Okay, big sellers came in here, so we're gonna call it here. But just as it gets on the 60-minute time, as it gets closer to that resistance here, ideally buy signal entry here, but we gotta give these trades a chance to kind of figure things out. So NZD JPY long on the 60. All right. So Kiwi pairs are moving. Buy signal here, big candle coming in. All right. So if you seen this later, guys, and it's gotten to that resistance, okay, it's too late. Just don't trade it, okay? NZD, hold on, let's do this here. All right. So on the 240, we've got buyers too. Green candle coming in here on the 240. So that's good confirmation there. So NZD JPY. Wait, pound yen, wait on pound yen, euro yen, wait, Swiss yen, wait. So the 60-minute, they're setting up. All right, not quite ready yet. Aussie yen, we have resistance here. Buy signal here, we're looking to break through that resistance. So Aussie yen, we'll call it. AUD, JPY on long 60. So we've got a few trades on the 60. Buy signal here, guys. Just remember, all right, we have resistance here. So it's got to get past sellers here, right? These are not perfect trading. Just trying to find some opportunities for you guys here, okay? Guys and gals here. All right. Decent trend line here, buy signal here. We're looking to break through there. All right. And we are in the Asian market. Okay. So it's opening up. So that might help. Okay. So Aussie yen long, 60-minute time frame. Dollar pairs. Nothing. Nothing here. That's gone. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. USD HUF, that's gone. Nothing here. That's closed. That's closed. Our monster scalper traders, keep an eye on these dollar pairs on the 60 for the next buy signal, okay? All right. That buy signal closed, okay? So we close a lot of them. I would wait. Lots of consolidation in here. And that price action, look here, guys, it's coming back down. So we have resistance here and very choppy trading. Okay, always pay attention to that choppiness. All right, very choppy trading in here. USD dollar CAD 60-minute. Let's leave that alone for now. Okay. Let's see here. Euro pairs, just a quick look. On the 60, nothing. 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 All right, no surprise there. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right, pound on the 60. All right, we'll take a look at the 240 and then we'll be done. All right, nothing. All right, at least we've got 4 pairs, right? On the 60, so New Zealand Swiss, New Zealand CAD, New Zealand Yen, and Aussie Yen. On the 240, let's take a look. You guys know we have dollar pairs. The dollar pairs are on the 240. And on the daily, okay? Let's go through this quickly. Still no shorts. Nothing. All right. So much choppiness. Always be aware of the environment, right, of the market, especially for new traders. When it's choppy like this, we think it's our fault, but it's the market. All right, you know, if we're doing everything right, following your 4 market phases, following the signals, then it's the market. Okay, nothing you can do about that. Dollar ZAR, we missed dollar ZAR on the 240. SGD, we're in that already. SEK, no buy signal there. PLN, we're in PLN already. NOK, nothing here. MXN, we've called that already. HUF, just making sure we haven't missed anything. We called that already. Nothing here. DKK, we called that already. CZK, we've called that already. CNH, we've called that already. Swiss, dollar Swiss, yeah, we've called that already. We're in that already. Dollar CAD. Let's add dollar CAD, guys. The daily looks really good. Check out the daily here. Look at the daily on dollar CAD, right? Really good trade there. Even the weekly is getting in on the action here. Look at the weekly there, right? On the 240, it's been trading well. Okay, so several good trades. So we'll call another buy signal. So several good trades. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, all the way up here. And we have a new buy signal. We are breaking resistance here. It's still early. All right, so All right, here it is, breaking resistance. Our buy signal came in on Friday there. Here's your trend line. Right here, buy signal, we are breaking resistance. Okay, now it's coming back just a bit. If you want to wait for it to, get back up in this area here, okay, to take it, that's fine here. But you guys know the dollar pairs are moving on the 240. Okay, so USD, dollar, CAD, CAD, long on the 60 minute. I'm sorry, the 240, guys. The 240 right here, 240. And buyers are on the daily, and definitely buyers are on the weekly there, okay? Shorts. Let's take a look at shorts on the euro. I don't think we have anything that's consistent. But you never know. Make sure we're not missing anything. All right, so take a look here. Sell short signal, that's pulling back a bit there. That's the problem with the euro and pound pairs, guys. No consistency there. Look at that, right? No consistency. And we need more direction with the euro and pound pairs, okay? USD NZD. So there is something definitely going on, guys, with the Kiwi pair. So this is the inverse. You guys remember, right? We looked at New Zealand Swiss, New Zealand CAD, and New Zealand Yen to go long. All right. Euro, New Zealand, right, wants to go down. So that's the inverse. So we'll call this. So EUR, there's definitely something happening with the Kiwi pairs. And EUR NZD, short. So we finally got a short on the 240. Okay. EUR and ZD here. So sell short signal is here. All right. Looking to break to support. All right. Broke support here. Got your sell short signal here. It's now in the markdown phase. We don't have sellers yet on the daily time frame. Hopefully that will open up. Okay. But again, something is going on with the Kiwi pair. So this is the inverse. So we'll call that one. If it gets back up, break through that. So the price is right here. All right. So we're anticipating a break of support right here, or just call it a low. All right. If buyers come back in, your sell signal will be right here. So just trade it accordingly. Euro, New Zealand. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right, nothing here, nothing here. All right, pound, shorts, nothing here, nothing here. So only the euro, New Zealand. Again, looks like something is going on with the New Zealand Kiwi pairs. All right, nothing there. Okay. All right, guys. So we've got some opportunities to go long on some of these, the Kiwi pairs, right? So Kiwi, a couple of yen pairs, New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, one short, Euro, New Zealand. Okay, so that's the inverse. Okay. All right, equity traders, good buying came in. We look here, good buying came in on Friday. All right, so the Dow was up, but just remember, right, we do have these sell signals. All right, we do have these sell signals. So, traders will suck you in on these up days, come back heavy with shorts. Okay. All right, the following day or the following week. So just be aware of that. Okay, so we still have sell signals on the equity markets. And just remember, all of these sectors here down, guys. All right, so don't trade your stock individually. Follow the process. Okay, all these sectors here are down. Healthcare, tech, they're all down. Okay, we looked at those. They're all down. So just be careful. Don't be fooled by this buying. I'm not saying that, we can continue to see buyers come in, break the resistance, get buy signal, right? That VIX can come down lower to 14, 13. I'm not saying, that can't happen. But based on what we have right now, all this red, those are sellers, right? They're done for now. Okay? All right. I will see everyone on Tuesday, guys. Thanks for coming. Okay? And put questions. We have our new community on school. Make sure you guys put your questions in there. All right? Let's get that active. Let's get that going. Take care. See everyone on Tuesday. Take care. Bye, guys.